Today's topic name is Biologics Control Act. In 1901, contaminated smallpox vaccine and diphtheria antitoxins lead to the tetanus outbreaks and death of the several children. For the first time, pre-marketer approval for every biological drugs. In that, the Biological Control Act of 1902, also known as Virus Toxins Law, was the first law implemented federal regulations of biological products such as vaccines in the United States. It was enacted in response to two incidents involving the death of 22 children who had contracted tetanus from contaminated vaccines. This law paved the way for further regulation of drug products under the Pure Food and Drug Act of 1906 and the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act of 1938. Biologics control is now under the supervision of the US Food and Drug Administration. When the large-scale production of vaccines and antitoxin serums began in the 19th century, the US has no government regulations on biological products. In 1901, a 5-year-old girl died of tetanus in Louis, Missouri, after being given a diphtheria antitoxin. Investigation found that the Louis Board of Health produced the contaminated antitoxin using the blood of horse infected with tetanus. While the infected horse Jim was killed, the Board of Health continued to use the serum to treat diphtheria. It was later discovered that 12 other children had died from the same contaminated antitoxin serum in Louis. That same year, 9 children in Camden, New Jersey died from the contaminated smallpox vaccines. These incidents led the Hygienic Laboratories and Medical Society of the District of Columbia to propose a law regulating the production of biological products. On July 1, 1902, Congress passed the Biologics Control Act. In the Biologics Control Act, established a board to oversee the implementation of regulation of biological products. The board consisted of the Surgeon General of the Army, the Surgeon General of the Navy, and the Surgeon General of the Marine Hospital Services, and was to be overseen by the Secretary of the Treasury. This board was given the power to issue, suspend and revoke license to produce and sell biological products. The Biologics Control Act also mandated that all products be labeled accurately with the name of the product and the address and license number of the manufacturer. Laboratories could be subjected to unannounced inspection by the Treasury Department. The punishment for the violation of this law fine up to $500 or up to a year in a prison.